and welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Addie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make short ribs. Yes, I am making Korean barbecue inspired short ribs today. You know what? I have always wanted to go to like a Korean barbecue spot, and I got a chance to go to one like in Philadelphia last year. In Philly, I was in Philly last year for work, and I had a chance to go to one, and I was super excited. I mean, I was excited. All right, I get to cook my own food right there. Awesome! Like I love that. But all the Nigerian people that I went with, they were annoyed. They were annoyed that, well, I'm not cooking my own food. And I'm like, no, that's the fun of it. But that was my first time having Korean short ribs, and I fell in love with it so much that I decided I had to make it at home. And before we go any further, make sure that your notification is on and you'll subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Let's cook. So today I'm going to be using my Ziploc bag. And I find this very easy to use because I can just put my marinade in there and stick it in the freezer or stick it in the fridge if I'm ready to make it right away. I'm going to put short ribs in a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. Okay. Alright, so let's start with salt. I'm just salting to taste. I'm just putting a little sprinkle of salt in here. Then I'm going to put half cup of brown sugar. Then I'm going to put half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of black sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take these 3 ingredients, blend them together. So here we have a pear, about 4 tablespoons of garlic, and I'm going to use half of this onion. So next I'm going to pour all of this mixture into my bag. I'm going to use a little scraper. Just use a little scraper to scrape the rest off the walls of the container and just deposit everything into the gallon bag. Next, all I'm going to do is just roll the Ziploc up. Make sure that it's covered well. Okay? And mix. So open it up a little bit on the side, just very tiny, and just press out all of the air, okay? Lock it up, don't mind my ashy hands. Lock it up, and it should look like this once all the air has been pressed out, okay? Next, what we're going to do is put this in the refrigerator for about 4 hours and let it marinate, or better yet, marinate it overnight. To keep this as authentic as I can without having to go outside and grill, I'm going to be using an electric grill, okay? Now, my ribs has been marinating for about 4 hours now. That's kind of what I would suggest. I've already preheated this to the highest it will go, and I already sprayed it with Pam, non-stick spray. Now all I'm going to do is just take my rib, like so, and lay it down on the side. Perfect. And then keep going. So I'm going to keep going until I fill this in, I'm going to grill it on each side for 5 minutes and kind of cook it down until I get to my really desired level of done. So, unfortunately, my griddle gave up on me. So, we're going to finish this off in the oven. I don't know, it just kept turning on and off, on and off. I started getting annoyed. So what I did was I preheated my oven to 400 because I wanted to be cooked on high heat. And I'm using the type of grilling pan that circulates air from the bottom and the top, so it's not cooking in its own juice. So I would really suggest that you use a grilling pan. Oh, excuse me, a roasting pan. This is a roasting pan. Get yourself a roasting pan. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place this on here like so and stick it in the oven, all right? So I'm gonna take this and stick it in the oven and roast it for about 15 minutes on 400 degrees. Now that we have a roasted top, I'm going to go ahead and flip it the other way so that the other side can have contact with the oven heat. I'm just gonna flip it that way and stick it back in the oven for another, let's say, 10 minutes. And here are the results. I'm serving my short ribs with a side of Nigerian fried rice. Oh, my favorite type of rice. Sweet. It's tangy. You can have like this first part. It's sweet, it's tangy. It's a little kick, but it's not spicy. I need a spoon. This deserves to be like family. Thank you so much for watching my video. I've really enjoyed having you guys here. Before we go, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, turn on your notification, and give this video a thumbs up. Oh, follow me on social media. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.